I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook carne guisada. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chuck roast cut into 1-inch cubes. For flavor, we'll use 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. Don't forget your spices: 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Finally, have 2 cups of beef broth and 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce ready. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your beef cubes in a large pot over medium-high heat. This step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Once nicely seared on all sides, remove the beef and set it aside. Next, in the same pot, sauté your chopped onion and bell pepper for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. With our aromatics ready, it's time to build the rich flavor of our carne guisada. Return the brown beef to the pot. Stir in your spices: the cumin, oregano, and chili powder, making sure every piece of meat is coated. Now, pour in the 2 cups of beef broth and the 8 ounce can of tomato sauce. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Then cover and let it cook low and slow for 2 to 3 hours until the beef is incredibly tender. Almost there. For the perfect consistency, if your sauce is a bit thin, you can thicken it. Just mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering stew. Let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches your desired thickness. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings. Serve this hearty carne guisada hot with your favorite sides like rice, warm tortillas, or refried beans. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.